What luck? The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed makes prophecy. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, sir. Bye-bye. You're back. You're braver than I thought. Some Mandalorian will brief you on your mission.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
This is the way, don't crash.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Here's the flash button to activate your tractor beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Nice shot, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right, engineer, launch the home beacons. Good work. We can only follow orders. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Right, engineer. Pick our destination. Fast. Bespin it is. Buckle up. Take the jet to light speed. Cloud City. Stay on his tail. Pilots, you're up. Watch out for that cable. Get Ferric. Stuck to that ship. He's driving towards the explosives. Cut company. Fighters incoming. Gunners, take them out. Hondo wants that crate. Grab it with a tractor beam. Cloud City. I'm on my way. Don't get into trouble. Keep steady so I can cut you loose. Bounty in hand. Prepare to leave fast. That's not a toy. Head for the clouds and hold on tight. Hit the boosters. Right pilot, jump to light speed now. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Cargo crates unloading. Oh, well done, crew.
You've got some good smugglers here, Hondo.
Yes, Hondo only hires the best.
Grogu and I will hand over the bounty to the new Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Not that like grew up, you was great.